Hello and welcome to this YouTube video of our Peakboard Hub series. In this video I want to show you all about the Peakboard Hub alerts. We are here on the alerts section of our Peakboard Hub. Here you can see all alerts created from your Peakboard application and sent to your Peakboard Hub. In that case I've created one alert before. You can solve one of the alerts, means that it's done, or you can directly delete it. Let's first click here on solve and then you can see the alert has gone to solved alerts. Also, you have the possibility to add an email recipient, so if an alert is coming up, then all the email addresses will be notified that an alert happened here, sent to Peakboard Hub. Now let me show you how you can create an alert from your Peakboard application. So let's go over to the Peakboard Designer. Let's start by adding a button here, which I double click to open the script editor. Now in the script editor you have the possibility here on the Publish to External Systems to select Peakboard Hub. And here you can simply select this send alert building block here and you can define which kind of alert it is. Is it just information, a warning or a problem? Let's select problem and add also a text here and call it problem occurred. Click on save and close and on the preview button on the top. And now I'll simply click here on the button. Let's go back to the Peakboard Hub where we can refresh the alerts and we now see the new alert created from our Peakboard application. That's all I wanted to show you about Peakboard Hub alerts. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.